Snow has enveloped Jammu and Kashmir and most parts of North India. Heavy accumulation of snow has been causing disruption to vehicular movement on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. All flights have been cancelled due to bad weather. Snow clearance work is underway at Srinagar Airport. Srinagar recorded a low of -0.8 degrees Celsius. An orange warning has been issued in Kashmir. People in the valley are bracing for more snowfall in the days to come. In Badrinath's temple are shut. Yellow alert has been sounded off for heavy snowfall in the Uttarakhand's Chamoli and Tehri.
It is snowing for last 3 days across the Kashmir, but snowfall intensified during the Monday night and it is still snowing all across the Kashmir. The Kashmir has witnessed heaviest snowfall of the season from last 3 days and life is completely out of gear. We are here in the Srinagar city. You can see how the roads are still deserted because the movement of vehicles on the roads is becoming tough due to the slippery conditions. Now the people from the administration are removing snow from the footpaths, but that is insufficient in these circumstances, as not only here in the Srinagar, but in fact the South Kashmir is most hit due to this snowfall. We are getting reports from the Kulgam district, Anantnag district and the Shopian district that 3 to 4 feet snow has got accumulated on the roads and each area is cut off from nearby towns. In fact, the snow avalanche warning has been issued by the authorities here in the Kashmir Valley, and in coming days the life will be much tougher for the people living in the Kashmir Valley due to this bad weather and the heaviest snowfall of the season. The authorities have already asked people if it is not necessary to move out from the homes, they should stay inside because there are so many issues and problems which will be created due to this heavy snowfall in Kashmir, particularly the snow avalanches in the hilly areas. With Rauf Ahmed, Ashraf Ani for India Today in Srinagar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.